Welcome to another Arizona Airgun hunter adventure. Today's hunt takes place on the north side of my permission. My son has joined me on this adventure. We have taken a position just in front of the van at the bottom of the screen, utilizing the rooftop of the vehicle to shoot off of. This area I call the junkyard. Our position is approximately 40 to 45 yards from the wire. A lot of the dove visit this area for shade and to hide from the wing shooters. While my son was making ready, loading his Air Venturi Avenger magazines, I took advantage of the time to knock off a few dove myself. I am shooting my AirForce Condor in 25 cal. I am shooting the JSB Exact Kings 25.39 grain pellets. My Condor shoot these pellets extremely well. As you can see, I'm knocking these things off like it's the thing to do. My son stands at the ready, watching as I knock off dove after dove after dove. I have put together his own video shooting from this position. I will attach that video in the end screen of this video. If you wish to view the video of him in action, shooting his Air Venturi Avenger in 25 cal, please stick around. He's a pretty good shot. If you like the Avenger, it's a must-see. I'm sure he will amaze you. Again, these shots are occurring at approximately 40 to 45 yards. I really enjoy shooting my AirForce Condor. It is both accurate and powerful. If you like this video and wish to see more like it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This is the last shot of the day for me. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.